Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another walkthrough Wednesday. Today I am so excited because I am with Amarah with David Weekley
Hi,
Homes.
everyone.
And Amarah is going to be walking us through a quick move-in home they currently have available. So please tell us where we're at today.
So today we are at 377 Reflections Avenue in our beautiful Reflections at Seabrook neighborhood.
Awesome.
And today we have a special treat for you because this home is actually staged. So come on, take a look inside.
All right, I'm so excited for you guys to see it. It is stunning.
So this is our shepherd plan. It is just shy of 2,400 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a loft space. And I think just coming in, this entryway deserves an honorable mention.
Absolutely.
Don't you think, Alexis? It is spacious,
Mm-hmm.
beautiful tall ceilings, and lots of natural light.
Absolutely.
Which I find often lacks in a lot of entryways
Mm-hmm.
that people tend to see. But in this one, it's really special.
I can literally see myself taking a picture in the mirror before I left for work in this day. I love all the natural
It's a
light in
perfect
here.
spot to drop your shoes or.
Oh yeah.
And then this plan has 2 bedrooms down, one being the owner's that we'll see a little bit later, and the one that you're seeing now is a secondary bedroom. Currently staged as an office, as we know. Everybody's working from home these days, but could easily be a guest bedroom. And what makes it so unique is that this bathroom you're seeing right now is accessible from inside the bedroom.
That's awesome. That's perfect for different things, people staying, your office, like you said. So yeah, absolutely.
You have dual entry access there, either from the hallway or inside the bedroom. And now we get into the true heart of this home with this stunning gourmet kitchen. No expense was spared during the design of this home, especially this kitchen. You'll notice some features that we don't normally put in our quick move-in homes. Some higher end designer touches like these stacked upper cabinets. You have the designer cabinet style vent hood. Of course, this upgraded backsplash and quartz countertops as well.
It is beautiful. It was one of, when I first walked into the home when we were walking in, I was like, oh my gosh, this kitchen is phenomenal. Everything in here you're going to see as you're watching this video is an upgrade. It is beautiful. Even the crown molding, as you can see as Carling is panning around. Of course, she pointed out the vent. I love the tile backsplash. It's so beautiful.
This home as a whole is very elevated.
Yes.
And we're just getting a first look at that in the kitchen here. Not to mention this walk-in pantry. So plenty of room if you're a larger family or you just love to cook.
Awesome.
Especially with the holidays right around the corner.
Yes.
We're using our kitchens more than ever before.
Oh yeah.
It's where we really start to feel that where that space is needed. And what I love about this floor plan is the flow. So right off the kitchen, as you can see here in the video, it is just flowing into the dining and then into the family room.
Absolutely. It's definitely an entertainer space, especially like you were saying with the holidays. This is a great place to have all your friends and family around. They could be sitting down watching TV or football or something, and then you're over here cooking and mingling with other people. That's great.
Right. Nobody is ever going to feel secluded or separated within this space. And if all of that wasn't fabulous enough, this home is located on a private preserve view.
Beautiful.
So you have that extra added element of privacy in the backyard. And something we didn't get to see earlier in the video is that there is actually preserve in front of the home as well.
That's great.
So you feel very secluded and private, almost like you're in your own little oasis back here, close to the cul-de-sac and Reflections. And now we enter the owner's retreat, which is located on the first level. Makes this plan very versatile to have 2 bedrooms, especially one of those being the owner's, on the first level. And again, it's very spacious. There's a lot you can do.
Huge. And I want to point out too, I know Carling's walking into the bathroom, but we have those tray ceilings in both the owner's suite and the living room. And again, upgraded fans, which is something that I like to point out because it's such a small touch that really elevates the spaces.
Yes, this home is relatively turnkey. There's a lot that you're not going to have to do when you're moving in.
Right.
What you're seeing right now is a signature style David Weekley bathroom. So you have the gorgeous super shower. It's very large, very spa-like with the frameless glass and with the added touch of a rain shower.
I know. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with that. You don't really get those that often, so.
And it's really convenient for the closet to be located right off the bathroom here when you're getting dressed in the mornings. And we actually opened up all that under the stair storage that you're seeing right now to create additional space, whether you use that for storage or additional closet space. It's really up to you, but the possibilities are there.
It's huge too. You wouldn't have to have a secondary bathroom for your husband or partner to go get a different space. So I love that.
We're just getting a second look here at the owner's retreat. And again, the view as you wake up in the morning in your bed, you're getting to see the beautiful greenery, the trees, some birds out there. It's a very peaceful and serene feeling.
Absolutely.
This home also displays a lot of natural light in it as well. You've got the big windows in the back and also these 2 large windows off the dining room area too.
And as a reminder, we are in Reflections here in Seabrook, so you are so close to Seabrook Park. You're also so close to the newly opened extended trail, which will take you like maybe 8 to 10 minutes to get to all the incredible amenities that you have as a resident here in Nocatee.
Yeah, that Greenway Trail really is a game changer.
Yeah.
Not only is it scenic and beautiful, but just the convenience of having that direct golf cart access. With Nocatee being a golf cart community, it's just one more way to be able to enjoy the lifestyle here.
Yeah.
And with this home being so close to that, it really adds to that convenience factor as well. Now we are walking up the beautifully upgraded luxury vinyl stairs. We've also upgraded the stair railings as well.
Beautiful.
And it just cascades up into the second level where it is just so perfectly retrofitted for many different circumstances. So whether you have kids, there's 2 bedrooms and a loft here. Whether you have company that stays for extended periods of time during the year, this could be almost like a secondary living room area off this loft. So there's so much you can really do with these spaces.
Yeah, I love these areas, especially like if you have 2 kids and then it appears like either they're space where they do homework or they play or something like that. And again, if you have guests or even if you work from home, you might have a his and hers office, which is great.
And this secondary bathroom has dual sinks.
That's awesome. That's, again, rare.
It's a unique feature, so nobody will be fighting when they're brushing their teeth. And even a nice touch that you'll see here in just a moment with Carling is that there is actually a walk-in closet in one of the secondary bedrooms. So lots of little options for storage and space. And to be able to make this area your own.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Amarah. This is honestly such a treat to not only get to do this walkthrough with you, but also see it staged, which is so unique. I feel like some people have a harder time seeing and visualizing that. So please remind the viewers where we are at and how they can get in contact with you about this home.
So we are in Reflections at Nocatee. We are at 377 Reflections Avenue, one of several quick move-in homes that we have available right now. So please feel free to stop by our model home at 20 Recollection Drive, and we'll be happy to show you what we have available.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much. We hope you're having a wonderful day. Happy holidays to everyone, and we will see you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.